Welcome everybody to Who Wants to Be a Mathematician? Our next contestant, an amateur who flies all the way from Nanaimo, will be joining us today. Please welcome Fred.
Thank you. It's an honor for me to be here.
You know the rules and regulations. 3 minutes maximum per question and a total of 2 lifelines, which include ask the audience and call a friend if you need any assistance.
Okay, let's get started then.
Which of the following best describes BEDMAS? A. A math thingy. B. An abbreviation to remember the order of operations. C. Newton's 6 laws. Or D. A song.
I think I'm gonna ask the audience.
Don't worry. In my last life, I was a mathematician. I'm pretty sure the answer is Newton's 6 laws.
No, I'm pretty sure there were only 7 laws that were invented by Newton. And Newton's laws have nothing to do with math. I guess I'll have to call a friend.
Okay then, looks like you are down to your last lifeline. So, who would you like to call?
Susan.
Okay, we are contacting our friends at TELUS Mobility Center. Hello, this is Susan speaking. Oh, okay. Frederick is on the line if he would like to ask you a question. Yeah, whatever.
Okay, Susan. I need you to explain what BEDMAS is.
Okay, BEDMAS is the order of operations that tells us what we must figure out first in an equation. So the first letter B stands for brackets. Next is exponents, or powers, which simply make multiplication equations easier to write out when repeating the same number. For example, 3/4 squared, which in the end equals 9/16.
Could you just write it as 3 times 3 over 4 times 4?
Yes, you could write it like that. And it's considered squaring, or in the case of multiplying itself by 3, you would call it cubing. Next is division and multiplication. But there's one problem.
What?
It does not always mean that because the division symbol is before the multiplication symbol that you divide first. It depends on which of the two comes first in the equation.
What are the last 2 letters?
A for addition and S for subtraction. And the same rule applies for addition and subtraction as for multiplication and division.
Wait, what do you mean about the...
Looks like your time is up. So, what's your final answer?
Somewhere in there, she said order of operations. So, I guess my final answer is B.
You are correct. If you own a black Mercedes, your car has just been stolen. Now, for a brief interruption by our major sponsor.
Who Wants to Be a Mathematician? Brought to you by Intact Insurance. 15 minutes could save you $15 or more on car insurance.
Welcome back, everyone. Evaluate the following. First, do the operations in the brackets. Then, use common denominators to add. Don't ask why, just invert and multiply. And simplify first. Use common denominators to subtract.